I missed away. Good morning, guys. What a beautiful day. Look at that. No clouds whatsoever. It's supposed to be 28 today. Here I am at the Gravity Car Show. This is one of the best in the country. And look at that. I'm by a Skyline R34 GTR. Awesome cars here. BMW M3, E46, Audis, Mercedes 190 Cosworth. Big fan of this car. Look at that Nissan S15, Mazda RX-7, Toyota Supra in the back. There's thousands and thousands of cars here. So I'm going to show you what cars we get here. One thing is for sure, I need to be here a good couple hours so I can show as many cars as possible to all of you. So I'll see you in a bit, guys. Let's go. Hey, what's up, guys? Welcome to Mr. Week channel. As you know, I do like to make videos about cars, motorcycles, caravans, my own life, challenge, food reviews. Really? Oh, are you kidding me? Please, no F words in my channel. Holy moly! So let's do this epic video. Stay tuned. So let's start here at Gravity Car Show. Porsche 911, a Ferrari Portofino. There's a few Lamborghini Huracans here. 1, 2. That has got even a carbon bonnet. What an awesome car. Love that car. The G63 wagon Mercedes, very powerful car. Skyline R35. Looks amazing, actually. Alright, really awesome. Another Skyline R35. Beautiful. Love this color with the air ride, guys. Porsche 911 Turbo, cool car. The new Toyota Supra, cool in white. Nice, this Polo, looks amazing. Look at this on there with the Castrol graphics, looks amazing. Volkswagen Golf Mark 1 GTI, cool car. A Ford Fiesta. There's an Audi A4 B5. I got one of those actually. It's cool. There's a Ford Focus here. Mitsubishi Evo White. Look at the wastegate, just comes out here on the carbon bonnet. What a nice touch. Look at those tiny and small mirrors. A Nissan S14, gorgeous. Look at this Chevrolet pickup, it just looks amazing. Subaru Impreza, Mazda MX-5. Look at this, awesome Alteza. Awesome cars here in one place, my goodness. Another Nissan S14, a Nissan R35 GTR, Audi R8 in black. It looks amazing. I'm such a big fan of this Renault Clio. This is the Cup, so it's a limited edition. Actually, these cars, they are very fast. Good value for money, let me to tell you. Audi A5, BMW M3, cool car. It's another BMW 3 Series, a Skyline R34 GTR, a Nissan SX200, very rare, and I do like them. There's two in one place, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful car. Awesome, the Nissan S14, another cool car in purple. So we got here, wow, Ford Mustang, what a cool car in purple. The BMW here, M3 with the Liberty Walk wide body in Qashqai here. That is rare, let me to tell you. A Honda, very rare. I always been a big fan of this Mercedes 190 Cosworth. The Nissan S15 Silvia, really cool on air ride. As we got here, Volkswagen Golf GTI, Skylines R34 GTR in purple, looks amazing. How you doing? A BMW E46 M3, always looks good. Look at this Volkswagen Coupe, tiny car, but so cute. Here's the Audi A4. Nice, he must go on holidays after this car show. And why not an Aston Martin Vantage convertible, looks amazing with a nice brown interior. We got here a Mercedes C-Class, looks amazing. Another one, he must go on holidays after the show. Nice, this Corsa, goodness, on air ride, it looks amazing. Got a Volkswagen GTI Mark 1, beautiful in red with the gold wheels. Another Golf GTI, there's a Mark 5, cool on air ride. Mercedes 190, beautiful, this classic and old cars. They look new-ish in a way because they modernized them. Nice, look at this Ford Sierra on our right, tiny wheels. Ford Escort. Look at this BMW, my goodness. Look at the amount of work this guy actually did, and he cut the car actually more or less halfway to turn it into a pickup. What a fantastic job he did. BMW 3 Series Estate, Rolls Royce, so cute. This is really beautiful. A camper van on a right, 19-inch wheels. People, they are tuning now this type of vans. As we jump now here to a Nissan 350Z, cool car, a Mazda MX-5, it looks amazing. BMW 3 Series with the Red Bull graphics, looks amazing as well. As we jump into a Volkswagen Polo, a Volkswagen Golf there, looks amazing. Nice green. An Audi A1 Chevrolet, my goodness, is on hydraulics. Look how high actually is the car. Look at that with lots of glitter. That it looks incredible. The amount of work on that suspension. Look at those mirrors. What a craftsmanship this work. It just looks incredible, guys. Oh, it looks incredible. Some pickup, very rare. This car actually is the first time I came across left and drive, and that's what I like it. Look at that, the wheels been painted in green on inside. This car is on hydraulics as well, left and drive, Tom car. Wow, this is gorgeous. I'm just ending my video here at Gravity. It's been more than 7 hours. I'm absolutely shattered, guys. I just had actually an ice cream that it cost £6. There's plenty of cars here. Awesome cars, supercars, hypercars, Formula One cars, more than 2,000 cars here, modified, you name it. I think I haven't seen one car that hasn't been modified as I'm around here, these amazing cars. That's where I started here today. I met even famous YouTubers. I met Matt Armstrong and I met guest official Jamie. What a nice person actually was to meet and get involved with him. So there you go, I'm finished here around these awesome and beautiful cars. You are all awesome, guys. This is my lifestyle. That's what I like to do, all sorts of videos, so I can share with all of you around the world, guys. And how grateful actually that I am. You are all awesome, guys. I'll see you on the next one.